Another important concept in image processing is bit depth. We often heard of 8-bit image, 24-bit image, or even 12-bit images. What does the bit image means here? In fact, they are related to the concept of bit depth. The bit depth refers to the maximum number of levels per channel that can be contained in a photograph. For example, we have 24-bit RGB color images. It is made up of 3 8-bit image channels, and each channel is 8-bit and contain up to 256 level of tone. In fact, there is some mathematical relationship between levels and bit depth. For example, if the image level is 256, then the 256 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Then the image is 8-bit. After we talk about the some basic concept of images, now let's go to the image file formats. We know the image can be represented by matrices. How these matrices are saved? In fact, different applications store data in different formats. Applications support some file formats and not others. If you guys go to many image software, you saw many open save as, import, export, place, this kind of menu there. Then you can choose some format they can use to save the image. For example, in a Microsoft Windows, there is a Paint software. That is a image processing software used by Windows. You see there are many save as JPEG, save as PCX, save as TIFF, save as GIF, and so on. In fact, if you guys go to find some image file, generally they are ended with 3 letters suffix or extension after the name of the file. For example, .psd, .jpg, .pcx, .tif, .gif, and so on. This kind of suffix means different image for file formats. There are a bunch of image file formats. The common image file formats we use usually for our daily life include TIF, JPG, BMP, PIC, GIF, PNG. Also, there are many other formats. Let's talk about some specific image format. The first one is the TIF format. TIF is the brief of tagged image file format. In fact, TIF is the standard between Mac and PC bitmap graphics. It can handle multiple channel files. For a TIFF image, generally it has a head to tell software what information is contained. In the head, generally there are some information included the what kind of the size of the image, the width and height. or sometimes include is 8 bits or 16 bits, 12 bits image, and so on. It's a color image with a gray image, and so on. Generally, the head may increase the file size, but now it's not an issue for the modern hardware. In TIFF, it uses the LZW compression scheme. This is a lossless compression scheme. That means there is no data lost. It's just make the bytes which you want to save the image less than you used to save the original one. The second is JPG format. JPG format also is a JPEG format. In fact, JPEG originally is the organization called Joint Photographic Experts Group. Its major define the protocol to save the image. The first one they developed is format is JPEG. JPEG also the first letters of the organization Joint Photographic Experts Group. In fact, JPEG is a file format use some compression scheme. If you go to very detail, JPEG it's sort of complex. But now I think you just need to treat it as a file format to save image. We talk about the TIF. It uses the lossless compression technology inside. But in JPEG, it's used the lossy compression scheme inside. The loss means some data information will be lost. For image, that means some details will be lost. Generally, the compression ratio for the JPEG is 10 to 1 or 20 to 1. If it's higher, that's the image will become very blurred. Another format we talk about here is the BMP format. BMP format in fact is the Microsoft native file format. It's the can be used in the DOS, Windows, and OS2 PC system. But Mac is not compatible. GIF is another image format we often used. GIF is the graphics interchange format. It was created by computer to speed download of graphics. It's limited to 256 colors. It's also used a compression scheme inside. Another format is the PNG format. In fact, this is majorly for use for the internet. The PNG means portable network graphics. It can support up to 48-bit color. The compression is a little high. Another format is the PSD format. PSD format, in fact, is the Photoshop native file format. I'm not sure you guys have used the Photoshop before or not. If you already use it, if you edit the image is Photoshop, sometimes when you save it, the PS format PSD format will come.